prajurit dari Batalion Pengintai Terpisah Rusia, Sparta, menghancurkan posisi Ukraina di Mariinka dengan roket anti-tank. Dalam rekaman video, roket meluncur mengenai satu tank Ukraina, Mariinka salah satu daerah di wilayah Donetsk. Dalam 24 jam terakhir, Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia juga merilis pasukannya menembak jatuh sebuah pesawat angkut militer Ukraina yang membawa senjata dan amunisi di dekat pelabuhan Laut Hitam Odessa.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision air-based missiles have hit an Ukrainian artillery training center near Stetskovka, Sumy region. The foreign trainers who had arrived in the center held practical exercises for Ukrainian servicemen related to using and firing control of M777 155mm howitzers. In addition, a missile attack has resulted in destroying a permanent base of foreign mercenaries near Dachnoye, Odessa region. Moreover, 27 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, 2 command posts of the Ukrainian armed forces, 6 missile, artillery weapons, ammunition and fuel depots have been destroyed near Vysole, Bakhmut, Donetsk People's Republic, Sporne, Podlesnoye and Laskutovka, Lugansk People's Republic. Operational tactical, army and unmanned aviation have hit 54 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. In total, the aviation attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 400 nationalists, 20 tanks and armored vehicles, 4 BM-21 Grad multiple rocket launchers, 9 artillery mounts and 29 miscellaneous vehicles. Russian air defense means have shot down a military transport airplane of the Ukrainian Air Force that was transported armament and ammunition near Odessa. In addition, 17 unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed near Popasne, Varvarovka, Stakhanov, Lugansk People's Republic, Dementievka, Volkov Yar, Maspanova, Novaya Gnilitsa, Doslipnaya, Большие Prokhody, Kapitolovka, Kharkov region, Novoalexandrovka, Nikolaev region over the past 24 hours. The above mentioned includes 2 Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicles hit by Russian air defense means near Kamenka, Nikolaev region. Missile troops and artillery have hit 33 command posts, 131 firing positions of Ukrainian artillery units, as well as 542 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. In total, 187 airplanes and 129 helicopters, 1,104 unmanned aerial vehicles, 328 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,406 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 466 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,769 field artillery and motors, as well as 3,405 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!